Hello and welcome to another SADAC platform tutorial video. In this video, we'll be discussing the publishing and embedding of your product. Let's begin. So once you have created your product and you wish to embed this to a website, all you need to do is click the publish button, either from here or from the embed and export tab, the final tab. Once you click the publish button, we will begin the publishing process, in which we generate the AR assets for your product if it's a variant product, and create you the embeddable 3D viewer. In most cases, the publishing process lasts for 10 to 15 seconds, but this can vary between products. Once your product has been published, then you will get access to the embed code copy and the preview link. With the preview link, you can quickly check that your product looks what you want it to look like. So here we have a product. You will have the variant menu on the bottom and all of your tools on the right side. This is what I want, so I can then start or go the publishing or embedding the 3D viewer. To embed the 3D viewer, all you have to do is copy the embed code, or you can go to here and make some changes or add some viewer settings to it, and then copy your embed code. Then go to your website. This is just a test website in which you can also try the embedding of your product, paste your embed code, and then just save. And then you will have your product embedded. A little bit more about the embed code. So on the top, you'll see the styling of the embed or the 3D viewer. So if you change the height here, it will also change the height of the 3D viewer. Then you'll have your product UUID, which tells what product the embed code will load. And then you'll have your viewer settings. So at the moment, I only have the mode variants. But if I add here different embed code or viewer settings, for example, to hide my product info and hide the embed tool, let's say the photo. Then when I copy this and add this here, then you can see the settings are applied just after here. And once I run this, then it will remove the embed code show and the photo take screenshot and the product name. This. Perfect, now you can see. On variant products, all the AR assets will be generated on the publish. So when you click the AR button, all of these will load very quickly. On a configurator, it will take the 15 to 20 seconds on first request. As on a configurator, there can be millions of different options. That's more or less on variant product. Oh yeah, still a little bit about publishing a product. So once you have published your product, then this embedded product will not change at all, even if you make changes to your product. So if I add a variant here, like this will not be added to my live product. So I can just run this and you can still see that there's only two options until I click the publish button. So basically, after you have published your product, it will store and save that version of your product, but you can still keep editing your product. And once you've made all of the changes, so for example, adding multiple different variants, then when you're done, then you can just publish again, publish the changes. Note that all the changes that you make to your product will be saved automatically, so you don't have to publish all the time to store the changes. Now let's quickly discuss a bit more the differences of a variant and a configurator product. So this is a variant product, and then here I have a configurator. So in a configurator, I have a bit more options. Most of the things will be the same, but on the embed code, you will have the mode configurator that tells the viewer that it's a configurator. And then when you load this product, you will then have the configurator picker, which is a bit different. And as I mentioned regarding the AR, on a configurator, it will take a bit longer for the first time you request or a customer requests the AR assets for them to be generated. But after they're generated, then it will be instantaneous for the rest of the customers. Note that after you publish the configurator again, then it will also reset these AR assets. So the recap on the embed code, most of the things in the embed code will stay the same. The only differences will be the product UUID, which tells which product to load, and then the configurator mode. So if you have configurators and variant products, then you have to have different embed codes for both, in which some will have the variant UUID and then the config or the variant mode. Rest of the settings work on both of the 3D viewers or products. All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.